18 years after the horrific Upahar fire tragedy in Delhi that snuffed out 59 precious lives, very little seems to have changed on the ground in terms of fire safety at public places. Even so many years later, a new, more stringent draft law is still in the works, giving rise to the question, have any lessons been learnt at all?
Don't take blood money, said the families who lost children in the Upahar fire tragedy 18 years ago to the Delhi Chief Minister. The Supreme Court had ruled that the two industrialists convicted for criminal negligence in the Upahar blaze should pay 60 crore rupees to the Delhi government for a trauma centre with no prison term.
Well, we went and gave a request saying that the 60 crore, which is the blood money, which is the Supreme Court has said that should be given to the Delhi government to decide what they want to do.
The state government said it will check if it's legally possible to say no to a court-ordered fine. However, they indicated they would look at their request to ensure tough law for safety in public places.
This matter was taken up in 2009. 2012, the consultation paper was given by Law Commission. And we told them that, look, this is the paper you have. Everything is there. It's an input from us also. We had said how the other countries are dealing with such man-made disaster. And he really appreciated it. He said, no, you give me your inputs. I'll talk to my law minister. I'll put it in the assembly. Let's see, we have given 7 years to the central government. We'll give him some time.
The Delhi government has expressed its willingness to consider bringing in a law to tackle man-made disasters like the one seen at the Upahar cinema. But so far as the central law is concerned, the victims of the Upahar tragedy are still waiting for an appointment with the union government. The groundwork for a new law started 6 years ago, when the Upahar families met the then President Pratibha Patil, Sonia Gandhi and the then Law Minister Veerappa Moily, followed by the Law Commission's consultation paper making key suggestions like enhancing punishment for criminal negligence under Section 304A, for which the Ansals were convicted, to 5 years or more. Explore the possibility of making public servants liable for more stringent punishment for gross neglect of duty. Amend existing laws to make fines and punishment more severe, for which currently some fines are as ridiculous as 50 rupees or 100 rupees. And also ensure regular and mandatory inspection. This is now awaiting a final report from the Law Commission. Tragically, as this law is being worked on, deaths because of fires in public places are still reported all too often. In the AMRI hospital fire in Kolkata, almost 4 years ago, 92 people died. All 16 accused are on bail today, and the trial has still not begun.
Police have framed the charges, but it is not yet done by the court, and even the trial has not yet started. There are 432 witnesses, but when it happens.
The real tragedy perhaps is how cheap the life of the Aam Aadmi seems to have become in India today. Without tougher laws, strict implementation and time-bound trials, very little is likely to change. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, in New Delhi, Kethi Angre for NDTV.